Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mix two songs a website online. So before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notification so you can get my latest uploads. Alright, the website name is Rave. If I spell properly or not, I don't know, but just go and visit this website. And you have to find Rave videos with friends. Just click over there. This is the website who you can use to make two videos in one, like mix songs. I will show you how. This website looks something like this. Alright, so guys, now what you do is you can just download this for iOS and Android also on your mobile app. You have to just create over here. You have to just click over here. It looks something like this. Like you can match up songs. Just click over here, create. You can search, as you can say, enter a song of video or paste the URL. Just search. It will directly search on YouTube. Select this option, and it will directly search on YouTube. Like I will search over here. Say your still sustain people song. I will select Justin Bieber one time. So one song is added and you have to just add one more song to mix up. Like I will select Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift or Taylor Swift song. Okay, there is it. Taylor Swift blank space. And once you have selected the song, you have to just click over here, match up. Okay guys, it will take a little bit few minutes, so I am skipping the video and I will be right back. Alright guys, the mashup is complete. When you will play the video, it will look amazing. I will show you. This. And when you post the video, you can copy the URL, you can share with your friends, upload on YouTube and more cool stuff. So guys, that's what I want to show you in this quick video. So if you enjoyed this website, if you like this video, I hope you guys like this video and you guys don't forget to subscribe. And guys, till then, see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye friends.